In this video, I want to teach you a creative method to create mental paintings that can help you to increase creativity in your art. According to Leonardo da Vinci, one of the methods of creativity in painting is creating designs and patterns from shadows and spots. To start, use a sharpener or a graphite cutter to sharpen your pencil and put it on the paper. Using a paper towel, rub the graphite on the paper to create scattered shadows. Now everything is ready to create a painting. Using a pencil, try to draw a picture of your mentality towards the spots from the spots, shadows, and highlights, and take it step by step. Now that you have watched the video up to this point, please like the video to support the channel and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you will be notified as soon as the new video is uploaded, and come and watch the video.